Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today we're comparing two popular drones, the DROCON drone and the TiziToy brushless motor drone. Let's dive into the features, performance, and value of these drones to help you decide which one is right for you. First up, let's talk about the camera quality. The DROCON drone sports a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, which is great for casual photography. Reviewers appreciate its decent picture quality for the price. On the other hand, the TiziToy brushless motor drone features a superior 4K camera with a 120 degrees adjustable lens. Users rave about its stunning photo and video quality, making it ideal for more serious aerial photography. When it comes to flight stability, the DROCON drone includes altitude hold and headless mode, which are perfect for beginners. It also has propeller guards to protect against crashes. However, some users note that it can be a bit wobbly in windy conditions. The TiziToy brushless motor drone, with its brushless motors and optical flow positioning, offers exceptional stability. Reviewers highlight its smooth flight, even in windy conditions, making it a more reliable choice for all weather. Battery life is crucial for extended flying sessions. The DROCON drone offers 24 minutes of flight time with its two batteries, which is decent but not outstanding. Conversely, the TiziToy brushless motor drone boasts an impressive 40 minutes of flight time. Users love the extended battery life, allowing for longer, uninterrupted flights. Now, let's explore some additional features. The DROCON drone comes with gesture recognition, voice control, and 360-degree flips, making it quite fun to use. Reviewers enjoy these features, but note that it's best suited for casual use. The TiziToy brushless motor drone, however, offers high-speed rotation, circle fly, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Additionally, it has 3 speed gears and an electronic fence function. Users are impressed by its advanced features, comparing it to a gadget-laden spy device. Finally, let's look at the price. The DROCON drone is priced at $109, which is reasonable for its features. However, the TiziToy brushless motor drone is available for just $99, offering more advanced features at a lower price. Reviewers find this to be a fantastic deal, making the TiziToy a clear winner in terms of value for money. In summary, the DROCON drone is praised for its ease of use, decent camera quality, and affordability, making it a solid choice for beginners and casual users. However, some reviewers mention its lightweight build and susceptibility to wind as drawbacks. On the other hand, the TiziToy brushless motor drone receives high marks for its superior camera quality, impressive stability, long battery life, and advanced features, all at a lower price point. While it does have some criticisms regarding customer support, its performance and value make it a favorite among users. So which drone do you think is the best? Drop a comment below to let us know your preference and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Buy Smart comparisons. Check the description for product links. Until next time, happy flying!